Hey guys, this is Gary. I'm coming back at you again with the brand new Vindicate XVC crossbow. And here we are at the range. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a number of shots with it, 20, 30, 40, even out to 60 yards, so you can see just how accurate this crossbow is. Well, as you've seen the targets. This baby is right on. It's super accurate at 20, 30, 40, and you saw the last shot at 60 yards, and you can see how it performs. From front to back, this is a real workhorse. Let me encourage you to take a hard look at the Vindicate XVC crossbow.